Hello, fellow Israel enthusiasts. Welcome to israelinvestment.org/Israel stocks. My name is John Simmons. I'm the founder of israelinvestment.org. Big hello if you've come over from my articles on timesofisrael.com or my blog posts. If you've Google searched, if you're new to the site, you're very, very welcome. It's probably helpful for me to explain at this stage that israelinvestment.org, typically our main remit is supporting Westerners to find reliable real estate lawyers and immigration lawyers in Israel to make the transition of moving and immigrating to Israel seamless as possible. But we wanted to address today something that's prevalent in our community, a question that repeatedly comes through, which is how do we as retail investors, you and I, go about buying shares or stocks, if you're in the US, in Israeli founded companies that are publicly available on the Nasdaq, the New York Stock Exchange, or the London Stock Exchange, that had Israeli entrepreneurs. Now, it's not easy to find all of that information. It's sometimes tricky to collate that and get it in a good working order. So we have gone ahead and built that for you in a simple Google tracker sheet that basically lists all of those companies that are available to purchase via your own broker, that you can then go and track and see the share price performance of those. So we want to introduce you version 2.0 of the Israeli stock tracker. Now, having a look here on the stock tracker, this is the landing page. If you go to israelinvestment.org/Israel stocks, you'll be taken to this page where we go into a little bit more detail on what you can find on the stock tracker. Now, if you click the buy now button, any of them, or there's even more buttons down there such as download now, you'll be taken to the order form where you pump in your details. We're actually doing this stock tracker for a limited introduction price for the version 2.0 of $39 US. Once you've made that purchase, you'll be taken to the stock tracker. The first page you'll be introduced to is this one, the pre-reading, where you'll be advised in the instructions to go through and click make a copy for your own copy there of the Israeli stock tracker. We've conveniently labeled or categorized each tab by market, that's by financial exchange. The first one, the London Stock Exchange, the second one, the Nasdaq, and the third one, the New York Stock Exchange. So if you can change that as you wish. And now, say for example you wanted to buy shares in Bioline on the Nasdaq, and the current price according to Google Finance is $1.32. You went and bought 1,000 shares, and you actually look back at your broker, your online exchange, and you realize that you bought them for 0.79. Now, the Google tracker will tell you you're currently 67% in profit at a current value of $7.90 and an up $1.53 up. So this is a really convenient way for you to see the movements in stock price for those Israeli founded companies that are listed on those three main exchanges. Now, what the Israel Stock Tracker doesn't do is provide investment advice or guidance. You have to do your own due diligence as you would with any stock or any share that you wish to purchase as part of your investment portfolio. What it is a simple and clear way for you to track the stock price movements of all of the Israeli founded companies listed on the financial markets, which is the New York Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange, and the Nasdaq. Now, why not take advantage of this introductory offer at only $39.99 before we increase the price, and we look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you.